ವಂದನಗಳು ಎಂದ ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు. పిరమిడ్ మాస్టర్లందరూ ఎందరో మహానుభావులు. ఎవరయ్యా మహానుభావుడు అంటే, ఎవరైతే మహా అంటే గొప్ప, దೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನುಭವ ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗొప్ప ಅನುಭವ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನುಭವ? ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದಲೇ ಅನುಭವ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನುಭವ, ಮಹಾ ಅನುಭವ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ said, Namaskar to all the people who got great experiences. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನುಭವ ಬೇಕು, ಮಹಾ ಅನುಭವ ಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನುಭವ, ಮಹಾ ಅನುಭವ? ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ in samsara, as Swamiji said. Samskara with samskara. Okay, great anubhava. It's not easy for samsara, my dear friends. If you want to test your enlightenment, you have to do samsara. Without samsara, your enlightenment is not tested. Your self is not tested. So, my dear friends, samsara, dodda anubhava, plus within the samsara, you should add atma samskara. That is the mahanubhava. What a great thing. Samsara itself is great, spirituality itself is great, but when you combine these two, spirituality in samskara, samskara with atma samskara, that is a pyramid spiritual society's movement. We have a wife, we have a husband, we have children, we fight daily. But we also meditate daily together. That is the greatness. We fight daily. We are not shy of fighting. And after the fight is over, okay, 2 hours fight is over, very good. Now the time is some meditation, 2 hours meditation. So same people should sit together and do meditation. Again tomorrow morning fighting. Again tomorrow night meditation. That is a great samskara. What happens, when you fight? Everybody fights for the right cause. Everybody is right from his point of view. The wife is right from her point of view. The husband is also right from his point of view. Okay, we are going in the traffic from east to west in Bangalore. Then there's the traffic from west to east. They are also following. So both traffic jam. Who is wrong in the traffic jam? Everybody is right. This fellow wants to go from this side to that side. That fellow wants to come from the same road is there. You have to have a lot of patience. In samsara, lot of patience is developed. Every day you will have hunger, so you have to cook and eat. Nobody is going to give you food, so you have to work hard. This body, you come after great puja in the higher worlds. Why? Because every day you have to maintain this body. With this body, the body you got because of somebody's samsara. Your tande thai samsara, you have got a body. If they have not done samsara, you will not have a body. And if you don't do samsara, somebody else cannot come here. You have to produce children. That's a great anubhava. Ask any mother, which is the greatest anubhava? He says, my delivering a baby. That's the greatest anubhava. Mahanubhava. Mother is equal to God. God is equal to mother. If you want to see God, see a mother. If you have seen a mother, you have seen God. What is mother? Pure samsara, Shuddha samsara. But there is no ananda in samsara because there is no atma samskara added to it. That's all. A little atma samskara. Okay, a little atma samskara in this beautiful samsara. Then you will become Mahanubhava among Mahanubhavas. Pyramid masters are great masters. They combine samsara with atma samskara. Samskara means, purification. Samskara means evolution. Samskara means welfare. Samskara means an ethical beauty. Okay. Samskara means a great camaraderie. All this, a togetherness, a oneness. All differences are there in samsara, but we have to live together happily as possible. For that, in the samsara, we have to add atma samskara. To get atma samskara, you have to do meditation. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆತ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. దెన్ ఓన్లీ దట్స్ వై త్యాగరాజ సెడ్ ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనము. నువ్వు మహానుభావుడు కాకపోతే వందనము లేదు. You have to become a great master, Mahanubhava, great experienced master. Certain lifetimes you do only samsara, there is no atma samskara. Then after some times you leave samsara, you become a sannyasi, only for meditation you gather lot of atma samskara, atma jnana, atma anubhava. Then in the final third phase, you combine these two. You become a samsari as well as a sannyasi in the samsara. Add both. Then first you become, there are three phases in the evolution of the Atma. You get a lot of experiences in pure samsara without any Atma samskara. But then no samsara, only pure Atma samskara, you go to Himalayas many lifetimes as sannyasi. I don't want any samsara. You get Atma samskara, but you are not a tested person. Your Atma samskara has to be tested in samsara. Anudina vyavahara. Normal life. Then you take birth to do samsara along with dhyana, along with Atma samskara, and pyramid masters are leaders of this third movement. They teach everybody meditation to all the grahasthas. Pyramid Spiritual Society movement, I am happy to be one of you, one of this great movement. I don't know how it was given to me to start this movement. It started with enlightenment, not with, there was no movement. Yeah, I wanted to know the truth. Understand? ನನಗೆ ಸತ್ಯ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸತ್ಯ? ಸತ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? What, as Swamiji said, whatever is Ashashvata is Asatya, whatever is Shashvata is Satya. I want Shashvata. Nice job is there, wife is there, children are there, but music is also there with me. But something else is missing. Very nice music. I was learning music. Nice job, nice samsara, everything is fine, but nothing is fine. Because some factor is missing. What is that some factor? Atma Anubhava. Purva Janma Atma Samskara is there. Lot of Purva Janma Atma Samskara must have come, has come. Therefore, I was able to get into meditation by my own self. Anybody can get it. If you have that thirst for truth, then when the Satya came, so very simple. Okay, we have been going to temples breaking coconuts. No temple, no breaking coconut. You have to stop your mind. The mind is running here and there. You have to stop it. How can you stop it? Very easy. Be with your own breath. we discovered these things. And since then, since the past, somewhere in the year 1979 or so, everything was clear to me suddenly. Yeah, this is the way to go. This is the way to avoid. Crystal clear. Okay. I was playing lot of cards. What to do? Money was there. We had to go to the club, spend money. But the moment enlightenment came, stop. I was learning music under great masters. Music, stop. Next lane only, great master, Sripada Pinakapani, Padma Bhushan. No going, no more music, no more anything. Now, teach meditation. Instead of learning one more raga, I will teach 100 people here meditation. Which is better? So meditation is the one thing which will give you immediate Atma Samskara, even if you don't have any Atma Samskara in your past lives. In current life, it's very easy, very simple. You don't have to go to Himalayas. You don't have to leave samsara. As Swamiji said, leave tamoguna. Half an hour of meditation is equal to 6 hours of sleep. Why do you require sleep, yeah? When you do meditation, your life becomes a great joy. You don't go to doctors. You don't take medicines. Now you see that they are all stupid people. They don't know ABCD of health, ABCD of the body. As Swamiji said, Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, Andamaya Kosha. The higher koshas are the life for the Annamaya Kosha. If you remove the Pranamaya Kosha, Annamaya Kosha is not, there is no Annamaya Kosha, only Shava is there. So this physical body is dependent upon these 4 bodies. Now, these people don't know ABCD. And you are going to people who don't know ABCD for help. The moment you come to meditation, no more doctors, because now you are enlightened. The more you go to doctors, the more you are weakening your body, the more you are going to pujaris, the more you are weakening yourself. The purpose of spirituality is to become independent, to solve your own problems through your own power, through your own efforts, through your own non-laziness. You know how I travel and how I work. I keep on traveling, keep on working. Anybody can do that. If one person can climb Everest, everybody can climb it. If one person can, Shashi Raghuti, he can sing so very beautifully, then if I practice, I can also sing like him. It is a proof that anybody can sing. If one great Ganesh master, such a beautiful violin, if he has achieved that, it's proof enough. With his vidya, he shows an example of people, hey guy, you can be like me. That's what Jesus said, hey guy, you can be like me. You can be more than me. Somebody said, Buddha, he came to Buddha, he said, Swamiji, a person like you was never born earlier, will never be born again in the future. Buddha said, come here. Ek khinch ke diya. Like me, millions of Buddhas were there earlier, millions of Buddhas will come afterwards. Anybody will become a Buddha. Anybody can become like Ganesha when he practices violin with the same sincerity and same seriousness. We have to have sincerity and seriousness. You know the Sanskrit word Shraddha. Shraddhavan labate jnanam. Then what is Shraddha? Shraddha is sincerity plus seriousness is equal to Shraddha. Sincerity plus seriousness is equal to Shraddha. If you have Shraddha, in practicing meditation, you will become Atma Gnani. You will become a Mahanubhava. Where there is no sincerity, where there is no seriousness, there is no enlightenment. And wherever there is sincerity, wherever there is seriousness, there is enlightenment. We have not become jnanis because we don't have Shraddha. Shraddhavan labate jnanam. Pyramid masters have Shraddha in spreading meditation. So for the whole world, చెప్పేవాడు ఉంటే వినేవాడు ఉంటాడు. చెప్పేవాడు లేకపోతే వినేవాడు ఎలా ఉంటాడు? When somebody is ready to teach, there are millions ready to learn. Pyramid masters, my great namaskars, pranams on this occasion. It is such a joy to see every Mahanubhava, every pyramid master, మరి అందరికీ వందనములు. We are born for spreading meditation. We are born for spreading vegetarianism. ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿರಿ, ಧ್ಯಾನಿಗಳಾಗಿರಿ, ಯೋಗಿಗಳಾಗಿರಿ, ಋಷಿಗಳಾಗಿರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳಾಗಿರಿ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್. Pyramid master means not an inch less than any Buddha, and nobody can be greater even 1 inch than the Buddha. We are all at that level. That's why we are so very happy. Everybody should achieve the state of being a Rishi where he can see his or her past lives so that you know the whole drama. This is a drama. If you don't know that this is a drama, this is a pure drama. Once you know that it's a drama, areva, no problem, yeah? It's a drama. Meditation means independence. If one blind man leads another blind man, where will he go? Meditation means removing your blindness. You are no more blind. You are a master. You can see truth for yourself. In pyramid spiritual societies movement, all dependence is thrown in the basket, dust basket. Headache is there, you remove your own headache. Stomach ache is there, you remove your own stomach ache. Cancer is there, you remove your own cancer. When I went to New Zealand, Auckland, one person came, William, with 25 people, his children and all those people, grandchildren. He said, Swamiji, I was suffering with 4th degree cancer, here, from here to here. Then he was about to die. Within 2-3 months, he will die. Then, at that time, he got a pamphlet to see Anapanasati meditation in New Zealand, Auckland. Then he went to our master, started practicing 6 hours, 8 hours. Anyhow, he was dying. But he didn't die. He lived for another 7-8 years. Happily. No more cancer. You solve your own problem. That is spirituality. If you go to any other person to solve your problem, you are not spiritual. One yogi was there. That British officer said, this fellow is a yogi? He looks like a mad fellow. He removed his sword and simply cut his hand. The hand is out. He was heckling the yogi. The yogi simply laughed. With the other hand, he picked up that hand, he attached it, he went away. That's all. That is yoga. That is depending upon yourself. Depending on others is not yoga, is not spirituality. That's why in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said, hey Arjun, you become a yogi. You must become a yogi. Yogi means independent. I will not beg, borrow, buy, steal. I am independent. One lady, Jas Mohin, is there. She is coming next month to India, to our center, Kebbe Dodi. She lives in Australia. She doesn't eat. Why we eat? Okay, we eat idli sambar is very nice. That's a different point. She doesn't eat. We don't require anything. To live in that understanding is yoga. We are in a drama. Every minute we are playing some role or other. All the world is a stage. We are all mere actors. We strut and fume, do our part and depart. It's a beautiful drama. Play your role perfectly and get off. And when you go in the higher world, when your wife also goes to the higher world, don't hug her. Oh, my wife. She is not your wife there. The drama is over. So your wife is not there, your tande is not there, your thai is not. All the relationships are only here in this drama. In the afterworld, you will never find any relative. You will find only friends. Ex-husband, ex-wife, ex-son, but not current wife. There are only friendship there. Relationships are here. Relationship, in mixing friendship in relationship is to add samskara in samsara. How can you add friendship in your relationship? Only through meditation. So, my dear friend, in the higher world, there are no relationships. You can't hug your ex-wife there. She will give a kick. If she doesn't like you. Okay. If you have been good there, maybe she will hug you. And in the other world, there is no body. You can be a female, you can be a male, anything you want. We have to have more knowledge of the other side. For that, more meditation is required. For everything, more meditation is required. And 24 hours are there. 24 hours. If there is no laziness, tamogana, as Swamiji said, and there are 24 hours, we can do anything. We can be perfect masters of meditation. We are perfect masters of meditation. We have achieved that reality. Truth is the same anywhere, whether in Kruta Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga, whether India or America or China. Truth is the same. And that truth is your own self. We realize our own greatness, our own truth through meditation. Then we become Mahanubhava. Then when anybody becomes a Mahanubhava, there is a Tyagaraja who sings praise of that Mahanubhava. వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరికీ వందనాలు కాదు, ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు మహాన్ భావులకి అలాంటి వాళ్ళందరికీ వందనాలు. Tyagaraja was singing, Narada came, he could see Narada. He said, ఎందరో మహాన్ భావులు అందరికీ వందనాలు. Tyagaraja could see with the third day that Swamiji had come here, Narada, greatest master. He said, Namaskara. So, my dear friends, never waste a single moment, as Swamiji said. That was perfect. You do your dharma, do your drama perfectly, but between dharma and dharma, between drama and drama, there is some space, time. At that time, you close your eyes and begin to observe your breathing. ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಗಾಲೆರಡು ಜೋಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಶ್ವಾಸಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಶ್ವಾಸದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. That's all. That is the formula. A plus B is equal to C plus D. A plus B. A ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡು, B ಶ್ವಾಸಜ್ಯೋತಿ. Then C plus D. What is C plus D? C is physical welfare, then D is spiritual welfare. Welfare before death, welfare after death. A plus B is equal to C plus D. Sometime afterwards you have to vacate the body. Even though you are happy here before the body, after they go there, they will ask you, where is your meditation? You can't stay here, go back. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. When you do meditation, there is no punarapi jananam, there is no punarapi maranam. Your education is over. From Pashu, you become Pashupati. Where is? If you are not become Pashupati, you are still Pashu, again go back. The raw material is Pashu, the finished product is Pashupati. Raw material is raw because there is no meditation. The finished product is finished because there is after meditation. You become Pashupati. Then you become one of the administrative system in the whole cosmos. You are absorbed into an administration system. You don't come here to become perfect. You have become perfected. So you become part of the administration, part of the hierarchy, in the cosmic governance. All pyramid masters are going to get excellent jobs in the cosmos. Everybody will be given one galaxy to manage, all the pyramid masters. Who will manage? Only masters can manage. If you don't become a master, then you have to keep coming back to become a master. This is 2015. The movement started in the 1990. Then 25 years are over. I congratulate all the pyramid masters for this excellent work, excellent commitment. It's a very proud thing to see yourself, yeah, I worked hard, yeah, I have done my role. What a great thing it is. Yeah, my past is so very wonderful that inspires me to do more work in the present.